Have you ever wondered how you can make money online? Well, you're not alone. In our fast-paced digital world, the internet is overflowing with opportunities to earn a living. From selling your skills to monetizing your hobbies, the possibilities are endless. But like any venture, it requires careful selection and a dash of creativity. It's not just about making money, it's about making money smartly. So if you're curious, skeptical, or just eager to learn, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we dive into some surprising ways to make money online. Now let's explore some unexpected avenues for online income. Have you ever thought of sharing your knowledge with others as a way to earn? Online tutoring is one option. You can teach anything from mathematics to guitar playing, from English to coding. The beauty of it is that you can do it from the comfort of your home, reaching students from all over the world. Or how about diving into the world of digital money? Cryptocurrency investments are becoming increasingly popular. While they carry a certain level of risk, the potential rewards are high. You might want to start small and learn as you go. Just remember to stay updated with market trends. Next, we have selling handmade crafts. If you have a knack for creating beautiful or unique items, why not turn your hobby into a source of income? Websites like Etsy are perfect platforms for selling your crafts to a global audience. Participating in online surveys is another unusual way to earn. Companies are always on the hunt for consumer opinions, and are willing to pay for them. It might not make you a millionaire, but it can certainly help with some extra cash. Lastly, consider freelance writing. If you have a way with words, this might be your calling. From blog posts to marketing copy, there's a demand for all sorts of writing online. Surprised by these options? There's more to come. So, you have learned about these surprising ways to make money online, but how can you ensure success? Well, the first step is research. Understand the platform, the market, and the competition. The more you know, the better your strategy will be. Second, be dedicated. Success in the digital world doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort, continuous learning, and the willingness to adapt. Third, practice patience. Results might not come immediately, but don't let that deter you. Keep going, and with time, the fruits of your labor will show. But here's a word of caution. The internet is also a breeding ground for scams. Be skeptical of opportunities that seem too good to be true. Always evaluate the credibility of the opportunity before you dive in. Remember, the online world is full of opportunities, but success comes to those who are diligent and patient. Start exploring these surprising ways to earn money online today.